The parliamentary opposition is calling on the government to cut the fuel tax as part of its response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Opposition spokesman on energy Phillip Paulwell made the call earlier today.
Economies the world over have been providing stimulus packages to help businesses and the man in the street to weather the storm that is COVID-19. In the United States, for example, the $2.2 trillion package includes an allocation for unemployment insurance to be expanded. In Jamaica, businesses finding it difficult to cope and several people who lose their jobs will benefit from the $10 billion contingency fund. For Phillip Paulwell, the opposition spokesman on energy, more should be done.
We welcome the fact that oil prices across the world have plummeted, and we are waiting to see the pass-through to our consumers eventually. But until then, we are urging the government to remove the taxes on fuel as part of the national response. This will help to provide immediate relief to the transport and productive sectors.
Jamaicans currently pay $7 in special consumption tax on each liter of fuel. Now, in a digital town hall meeting on Saturday, the Jamaica Public Service said it's lobbying the government for a temporary tax break so that it can cut electricity costs. Mr. Paulwell supports the move.
I am calling upon the government to cut electricity and fuel taxes now, and also to suspend lock-offs for water and electricity now. These taxes should be removed initially for 3 months, as Jamaicans are encouraged to stay at home, resulting in an inevitable spike in electricity usage for many without guaranteed incomes.
Several residents across the island have been complaining about a lack of piped water at a time when there's increased focus on hand washing and personal hygiene during the COVID-19 crisis.